Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually start investing in real estate, especially as a beginner. So first things first, what is real estate investments? Real estate investments is basically a type of investment that involves you buying and selling, real estate services. It could be you buying a land and then selling it after, few years or few period of time. It could be you buying, investing your money into already built, real estate, and then you're getting part of the rental fee paid by the person occupying that area. There's so many ways you can actually enter real estate investment. So without wasting much more time, let me show you guys how you can actually start earning true real estate investment, how you can get started as a beginner. I'm going to show you guys in today's video a major way you can actually start investing and then earning a major intermediary platform where you can actually start earning through your real estate investments. So now moving on to what we have for today, I'm going to be showing you guys one major way, one major platform, and that's going to be Square, as you can see on the screen right now. This is squareroof.com. Square is actually a 100% legit and secured site built majorly for the main purpose of real estate investments. So how it works, okay, let me just take you guys through. As you can see, it's simplified for everyone. Square Roof simplifies and take away the burden of managing rental properties. As you can see, first things first, you register, you discover, you explore, the site. You see so many services, so many properties, and then you purchase, and then you're investing. You wait for cash flows. So service begins to rise, you earn, and then it continues over the years. As you all know, land actually appreciates, so you're always earning. And real estate investment is a very huge type of investment that shouldn't be taken for granted. We have so many types of real estate investments, and in today's video I'm going to be covering majorly on the land aspect and residential aspects. Okay, so now let's proceed. You can see we also have the management. You receive a cash flow, which is actually what we want through our real estate investments, and then you have future appreciation. Okay, so this is just some facts. Okay, so now let me just show you guys how you can get started. So first things first, you want to sign up. So I want you all to actually do this with me as you're watching this, if possible, or you save the video for later. Okay, so you want to sign up with Square Roof. Okay, so I'm just going to be using one of my other accounts, just the new accounts, just to show you guys how you can get started. So first things first, you want to input your first name. So I'm just going to input a random name, or I'm going to input my normal name, whichever. And then your last name, I'm going to input same. So first things first, you're registering. Okay, so I'm going to input my email as well, and then you input the password as well. Okay, and then what you want to do now is to click on create account. Okay, and then you'll be sent a verification email into your inbox. Okay, so I'm just going to save this, and then you want to open your inbox. As you can see over here, we have the verification email. Then you just want to click on verify email. Okay, and immediately after that, you can return back into your account because it's actually been verified already. So I'm just going to log in. So that's the first step. You want to create your account. So now, as you can see, we need more information to keep your account secure. This is a real estate investment, so definitely you're going to be inputting certain amounts of money to make investments, and you want to ensure this is secured. That's why you have to put in a lot of security details to cover up your account. Okay, so we need more information to keep your account secure. Continue. So you want to enter a 4-digit PIN. Okay, and then you want to confirm the PIN as well, and then set PIN. That's the very first step. And then you have your mobile number verification as well. So I'm just going to enter my mobile number. Okay, and then you verify. So they're going to send you an OTP, as you can see. So you want to ensure the number you're using is actually legit. You can see I'm on my phone right now. Okay, so they're going to send you an OTP. Okay, that's 239. That's 569 Okay, 56693. Okay, that's 56693, and then verify. Okay, So now you can see you want to input your BVN as well. Okay, because this is not my main account, so there's no need for me to actually input that. But if this is your main account, you're creating your major account, make sure you input your BVN, okay, and your date of birth as well. So I'm just gonna click on I'll do this later because it's not my account, my major account. So now guys, as you can see, immediately after you've registered and you've done some of those security questions, as you can see now we're inside the main page of Square Roof. So over here I'm going to be taking you guys through all the features. As you can see, we have the dashboard, which is where we are currently. As you can see, we have the dashboard. Okay, so you can see you have your wallet balance, you have your property value, and you have your cash flow. So wallet balance is majorly the wallet that holds the amount of money you just want to send. You just want to use Square Root to hold certain amount of money you'd like to use it for different real estate investments. So you're basically going to be adding your money and it's going to be showing over here in your wallet balance. Okay, and then you have your properties value. By the time you start investing in certain properties on Square Roof, so those value, those amounts of money is going to be shown over here. And then your returns as well is going to be showing over here where we have the cash flow, accumulated income. Okay, so now moving on to the next, which is the major thing. Okay, you can't actually start earning unless you start investing. So this is how you invest. So you want to go to my properties, and now because it's a new account, you don't have any properties, so you just want to click on explore properties. Okay, so now as you can see over here, we have so many properties. Some of them are already sold out. It's been updated depending on certain services from different real estate industries, or real estate individuals and the rest. Okay, so as you can see, these are some of the most invested services. It's a new residential especially, and Juleki as well, Landstock. As you can see, so many people have actually invested in this. As you can see, we have sold out. So let's just click on whichever one. This is Chevron Landstock. So let's assume it wasn't sold out already. This is basically how it's going to look like. You can see Chevron Landstock, the purchase price is 54 million. Okay, 54 million naira. This is just pictures of the land. Okay, so as you can see, the available value, as you can see, is 300 square meters. Then the price per square meter is 180,000 naira. So basically, as you can see, if I'm going to be depositing, let's even assume 100, let's say 100,000. Okay, this is how much I'm gonna get at the end of the year. 120,000, 20% of what you actually invested. Okay, so as you can see, and 20% of 100,000 is 20,000. So that's why I'm having 120,000. The same thing applies if it's you're gonna keep on reinvesting for 5 years, or you want to invest for to receive your amount of money in 5 years time, in 10 years time, 20 years time. So you can see the investment return is already calculated for you. Okay, so this is already sold out, so we can't actually invest. So normally, before you make any investment itself is a risk, but we have certain real estate services that, yes, you need to be very sure that this company I'm about to invest in, how legit are they, how recognized are they, and all the important things you need to take note of. That's why before you actually invest, you need to read on these investments, and that's why we have beneath here, we have the project information. Okay, so you can see Chevron Landstock project description. You just want to read through. Chevron has become, we all know Chevron. Chevron is actually a very big, company in terms of Landstock and the rest as well. Okay, so you just want to analyze all important details. You analyze before you invest in such property. So now let's go back to the two updated, real estate investment over here. So currently, as of today when I'm actually recording this video, we have two major investment real estate services. As you can see, we have the Phoenix Mall and we have Maduro Residence. So as you can see, this is commercial. Commercial property is a development property that is rented out to businesses as offices, shops, or shopping center. As you can see from the name commercial. So basically what you're doing for this investment is you're buying to rent. Okay, let's read what it said. A buy to rent property is a residential property that is put up for rent. You earn annual rental income from the occupancy of such property. So what this means is immediately people start to, rent, they start to use this place for their businesses and start to pay rent. So you're earning certain percent from this rent. So that's basically how this particular real estate service operates. So let's click on it and look through. Okay, so as you can see, we have the purchase price of 71 million naira, 500,000. Okay, and then the target return is 18.46%. That's 18.46%. So that's 71,500,000 naira is actually the amount the person who's going to, rent this particular Phoenix Mall is going to pay. Okay, so this is the amount to purchase the property. Okay, and then you're getting 18.46% on the amount you actually deposit. If it's the year one, in 1 year you're going to be getting 1,800 naira if you actually deposit this amount of money, which is just within 10,000 naira. So the higher you deposit, the more money you get in return. As you can see, the more the money. And after 5 years as well, this is actually how much you get. After 10 years, 20 years, it is calculated automatically already. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So you just want to read through the description. Phoenix Mall is a prime two-story commercial development uniquely located in Ogudu. You need to think about certain things. The location, how many people are actually there. You're investing your money in something. You also need to consider the location. How many people will usually visit such an area? How populated are the people there? You need to consider this, because if there's no one actually visiting this mall, if there's no one there, that means there's no money, or the money is going to be less than what you expect. So you need to consider certain things before you actually invest your money in such properties. And now looking at the second one, which is actually available right now, which is Maduro Residence. It has a purchase price of 57,225,000 naira. Okay, so this is basically a residence, okay, for someone to live in. So immediately the person pays this, the person needs to pay this amount of money to own it. Okay, and it's even just a rent. Okay, and then you're receiving 21.96%. That's the target return. As you can see over here, rental yield. Okay, so then we have the year 1, we have year 5 as well, year 10, and we have year 20, all calculated automatically. I would advise you, if you want to actually invest in such, you need to start from around 15,000 naira, I would advise. Okay, but it depends on the property. Still, we need to consider certain things. Like I said, you need to look at this property, you need to read the description. Not all real estate investment works so well, so you need to be careful before you invest in such. But at the same time, once it works out, you're receiving hugely, like serious amount of money. So once more, you need to read, you need to understand about the property, you need to know how they're actually going to earn through the property. Like this one right now is you're earning through rental pay. So immediately the person rents it, you're earning part of that amount of rent the person is paying back. So guys, that's basically how it works. Okay, and then you can actually also earn through Square through referrals. Almost all platforms you can also earn through referrals. You're basically telling people to actually register. As you can see over here, refer a friend and earn up to 4% of the first purchase on Square. So once you refer someone and the person invests, you gain 4% of that amount of money they used in investing. Okay, it's just like an affiliate program for Square. And then you can speak to your team, okay, in case you have issues you want to ask concerning this, ask concerning that. And then this is the marketplace where you actually find all these properties. And without before I end this video, before you actually buy properties, you also have the opportunity to speak with the team. You have the opportunity to speak with those in charge of this property, okay, in case you want to ask questions directly. Okay, how does this work? How do you earn your money? How much do I receive, this or that? You can actually speak with your team by clicking on this over here, and then you get an opportunity to speak with them. As you can see, you plan the time you want to speak with them, select the date and the time on the rest. Let's say I want 12, and then I'm going to pick 10:30, confirm. And then you just want to enter, you want to plan it. Okay, you want to speak with them, when do you want to speak with them, and the rest. So immediately after that, we just want to subscribe as well, so you get any latest news based on this and that. Okay, so as you can see, to subscribe, you need to make a payment of 15,000. So I want to believe you all learned a lot from this video. If you surely did and you haven't subscribed as well, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to keep on uploading lovely content, lovely informative content. You definitely don't want to miss out. And I'll see you guys in my next video.